Students of class 10, I'll start now GST, that is Goods and Service Tax. Let me tell few full form. GST means Goods and Service Tax, CP that is cost price, SP that is selling price, CGST that is Central Goods and Service Tax, SGST that is State Goods and Service Tax, IGST that is Integrated Goods and Service Tax, UGST that is Union Territory Goods and Service Tax. These are the full forms required to solve GST problem. Now see, this GST we are dividing into two categories. One category I am writing CGST, that is Central GST, and SGST, that is State GST. And you see here I have written UGST, that is Union Territory GST. So CGST or Union Territory GST, anyone will use. Now see, when CGST SGST will be calculated. If any goods is sold or service is taken or given in the same state means intrastate. This is a term language. In GST language we will use intrastate. Intra means in the same state. In the same state means, let's say you are purchasing something from Delhi and you are selling it to Delhi only. So this is intrastate. Let's say you are purchasing from Calcutta and selling in Calcutta only, or you are purchasing from Calcutta and selling in Siliguri. That means in the same state you are purchasing and selling. In this situation we call it as intrastate transaction. And IGST means interstate. Interstate means you are purchasing from one state and selling it to another state. That means, let's say you are purchasing from Delhi and selling it to Kolkata, or you are purchasing from Kolkata and selling it to Delhi, or somewhere else in other state. That is called interstate. So intra means in the same state purchase and sell. Interstate means from one state purchasing, buying and selling in the other state. That is called interstate. Now interstate we will use IGST only, that is integrated GST. And for intrastate, that is same state, we will apply CGST and SGST. Now let's say GST percent 18% I am considering. Then if I calculate IGST, then IGST will be 18% only, 18 to 18 only IGST. But if I calculate CGST and SGST, that 18% into divide by, you have to divide 18% by 2, that is 9% and 9%. 50%, half. CGST 9%, SGST 9%. This is for intrastate calculation. Actually amount will be same for IGST total amount, and CGST SGST total amount will be same, but we will calculate separately. This is the technique. So let me show you sum. These are the sums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sums are there. I am showing you one after another sum, how to do. Sum number 1, for the following transaction within Delhi. Within Delhi means here we have to use CGST, SGST, not IGST. That means direct we can tell IGST will be nil, NIL, that is 0. No IGST. Why? because the transaction within Delhi. Fill in the blanks to find the amount of bill. Amount of bill means what will be the total amount of the bill. That is selling price, selling amount, what will be, that we have to write in a paper. That is called bill. MRP, that is maximum retail price, written 12,000. Discount 30%. That means you have 30% of this thing we have to subtract from 12,000. Then on that price you have to add GST 18%. So what will be the discount? What will be the selling price? So selling price formula is MRP minus discount. Then we have to find CGST, SGST, IGST I told it is nil, that is 0. Then amount of the bill means the discounted value plus GST, that means CGST plus SGST, that will be amount of the bill. So let me do the sum. MRP is 12,000, then discount it is told 30%. So 30% means 30 by 100 into 12,000. Now if you do cancellation, 3 12 is 36 and 0 0, 3,600 discount. And selling price I told mark price minus discount. Mark price is 12,000 and discount is this. So you subtract and get, this is the selling price of the article. Then since it is intra-state, that is purchased from Delhi and sold in Delhi only, that is why we have to use CGST and SGST. So CGST will be what percent? 9%. Why? Because you see that GST is 18%. So CGST will be half of that and SGST will be half of that. That is 9%. See here 9%. Of what? On SP, because this is the selling price of the article. So always GST will be on selling price. So 9% of this, that means 9 by 100 into this. So this is the amount of CGST. So SGST will be also 9% of this. So direct I am writing the calculation, no need to show again because already done. So direct amount I am putting. And IGST I told it will be nil. Integrated GST will not be applicable here. Then amount of the bill, selling price, this is the selling price 8400 that I have written. Then I have written CGST, then I have written SGST. Add these three, that will be amount of the bill. I think you have understood now. Okay, then see number 2. For the foreign transaction from Delhi to Jaipur, that means here different state. So here we have to calculate IGST. In this situation CGST and SGST will be nil. CGST cross, that is will not do, it will be nil. SGST also, that will be cross, will not do this. Here MRP 50,000, discount 20, GST 28%. So let us do now. Number 2, MRP. Now discount 20%, that means 20 by 100 into this. So 10,000 is discount. So you subtract the discount from MRP. MRP 50,000 minus discount 10,000. So 40,000 is the selling price. Now I told on selling price we have to calculate GST. SGST and CGST will be 0, that is nil, because we will not calculate this because this is interstate transaction from Delhi to Jaipur. That is why we will calculate only IGST. And IGST is 28% because in the sum you see that 28% GST, that whole amount will be calculated in IGST. So 28% means by 100 into SP. On SP we have to calculate. So if you calculate, then it is coming 20, cancel, 11,200 is the IGST. Now amount of the bill, that selling price into GST, that is coming 51,200. This is the amount of the bill. Next let us see sum number 3. A computer mechanic in Delhi charges repairing cost. So this is service charge. Repairing cost from 5 different persons A, B, C, D, E with certain discount. So that is given in the table. The repairing cost and the corresponding discounts are given below. So person A, B, C, D, E, repairing cost this, and discount percent, it is separate discount percent. Here 30%, here 40%, here 30%, here 20, here 40. If the rate of GST 18%, find the total money including GST received by the mechanic. So mechanic, what amount he received, that we have to calculate. So you see the sum. How do I do this? Name of the person A, B, C, D, E. Cost I have written column wise, discount I have written. So this thing is given in the question. Now see, discounted value. I have given 30% discount, then what percent is in my hand? 70%. So I will calculate 70% of this cost. See, 7 by 100 into 7 by 100 into this. See, so I have got 3850. So this is the discounted value. That means after giving discount, I will get this thing. Again 40% discount means 100 minus 40, that is 60% left. So 60 by 100 into this 6250, then 3750 left. Again 30% discount means 100 minus 30, 70% left. So 70 by 100 into 4800. This is the discounted value. Again 20% discount means 80% left. So 80 by 100 into 7200. So this is the discounted value. Again 40% discount means 100 minus 40, that is 60% left. So 60 by 100 into 3500, that is, this is the amount. So if you add all this amount, that is total SP, because these all are the discounted value. If you add, then you will get total SP. Now see, CGST and SGST we are calculating. Why? This is the question. Now see the sum. Delhi, a computer mechanic in Delhi only, not any other state. That is why CGST, SGST, not IGST. So we will not calculate IGST here. So CGST, it was 18% total GST, so it will be half, 9%. So 9 by 100 into this total SP. This is the CGST. SGST also will be the same. So the amount of the bill will be these three, you have to add. You add these three, get this is the money received. Similarly, we will do all the sums. That's all for